Hello everyone, we are Gidara. We'll presenting our product Smart Exhaust Fan. Before that, this is our team organization, and I am Dipio as a speaker for this presentation. This is our presentation outline that I will presenting. From the start is problem definition. Problem definition 1. Air circulation setting in the factory still do not meet K3 standard. It is because mainly the worker glue the sandal manually one by one or each by each, and the smell chemical is really strong, not safe for the worker, and also the worker itself not provided a mask by the company, and that's why it's bring us to the problem definition 2 to illustrate it more why the air circulation setting is not meet case 3 standard. It also make the slipper drying process to be slower because the air exchange is slow. They only rely on door, square hole, and the fan in the roof versus slipper drying process. And also they kept the sandal inside factory because they afraid to get complaint for the neck board to the smell of the chemical. It also make the inside factory to be have a humid air. That's why it makes the drying process to be slower. Next, we're going to concept design. After knowing the problem definition, we come out with solution that we will make a smart exhaust fan with ducting. It can be controlled with panel box and phone via Bluetooth, enable to detect the gas level of glue or chemical, other smell of chemical like rubber and etc. in the factory, and also able to detect the room temperature. Concept design 2, we also provide you a storyboard from how the smell of the chemical spread out, and the door and also the square hole in the roof is not able to make the smell to be gone, and that's why we make exhaust fan. It can be seen that exhaust fan will bring out the smell to outside. It illustrated that the red arrow is a smell of chemical, and blue is fresh air from the outside. Next, for detail design, this is the exhaust fan with ducting design, presented with the part names like frame holder, exhaust fan, mounted holder, and etc. It also can be seen the sizing of the exhaust fan itself. Next, detail design to a panel box. We also presented with the part names. You can see in here every part of the panel box, including the panel box sizing. And next, detail design for Android app. This is Android app. It has home page. If we press the button connect to your panel box, it will come out the Bluetooth connection page, and after we select the Bluetooth device, our panel box, it will connect it and we can use it to control, and also we can use it to know the data logger of the panel box. Next, we're going to the manufacturing design 1. In here, diagram block after selected electronic for a panel box presented. And next, manufacturing design 2, electronic placement for panel box also presented here, for every part's name also presented. And next, for manufacturing design 3, this is our guide to programming a panel box flowchart. And next, manufacturing design, how we will do the installation for the product in the factory. It will be a 2 exhaust fan and a panel box. Next, for making a product, there are three changes since design for making a product. The first one is manufacturing panel box. The design and sizing is changed because we don't have a 3D printer. That's why we will make the panel box with acrylic. Next, making a product 2. For Android app, we unable to develop the app exactly same like UI design. That's why we're going to use serial Bluetooth terminal. And next, for making a product 3, we are only going to make exhaust fan, not with ducting, because the production for ducting takes more time. Next, video demo of the product.
Ghidara Smart Exhaust Fan, monitored and controlled exhaust fan with IoT. The first feature of our product is panel box on by manual switch. There are 4 parameters that must be considered. First, the LCD gives some information about the temperature, the air quality conditions, and the switching of exhaust fan. Second, there are 2 indicator lights. If the green light is on, it means that the condition is good, so the exhaust fan is off. Then if the red light is on, it means that the condition is bad, so the exhaust fan is on. Third, there is an alarm that will sound in case of disturbances, such as high temperature and bad air circulation. Fourth, there are 2 sensors, namely temperature sensors and air quality sensors. Both are used to detect and process the disturbances. The second feature of our product is a panel box connected by Bluetooth. The use of Bluetooth on our product is to on-off switching for the exhaust fan. IoT monitors real-time and stores the data. The advantage of Bluetooth mode is that it doesn't require internet networks, such as signal, mobile data, and Wi-Fi. Therefore, Bluetooth is very easy and flexible mode to use. The third feature is the exhaust fan, the alarm, and the temperature could automatically on if the temperature is more than 32 degrees Celsius. Then, when the temperature is less than 32 degrees Celsius, the exhaust fan and the alarm are automatically off. Also, the lamp is changed to green lamp. Lastly, the fourth feature is the exhaust fan and the red lamp could automatically on if the air quality is more than 300 parts per million or ppm. When the air quality is less than 300 ppm, the exhaust fan is automatically off and the lamp is changed to green lamp. Ghidara, say no to bad air circulation.
Next, video ad product.
Meet Ghidara, smart exhaust fan. It consists of exhaust fan, ducting, panel box, and Android app. 4 features. First, exhaust fan blows air upward. It will avoid the spreading to neighbors. Second, panel box able to switching exhaust fan automatically based on air quality and temperature in the room. Third, panel box provide with power switch and LCD. Fourth, Android app can be connected to panel box via Bluetooth, and also it can access the control and monitoring data. Gidara, say no to bad air circulation.
And the last section is documentation product. First, we have manufacturing product documentation here. And second, assembly. And next, we have assembly product documentation. Next, third one is coding product documentation, programming Arduino. Next, documentation for IoT Bluetooth mode. And the last one is final product documentation.